Managing complex projects can be tricky, especially when you need to see the full picture and the final details side by side. Thankfully, with multi-level grouping new to Ftrack Studio, you can now organize your data in more flexible ways, making it easier to track progress and get the insights you need fast. Let's see it in action. As you can see on this view, there is currently no specific grouping applied. Let's change that up. To kick things off, we just need to click Group. And let's say in this example, we want to group tasks by status. You can now see that everything in this list is neatly organized by status, such as not started, in progress, and so on. Now, let's make this view even more specific by adding another layer of grouping. This time, we'll also group by assignee. Now you can see subgroups within each status, so you can view not just the overall status of tasks, but also who's handling them. If you'd like to, you can change the order of your grouping. As you can see, we've prioritized grouping by assignee first, followed by the task status for each person. You can keep adding more subgroups to make the view even more customized if you wish. What's great is that this feature also works with saved views, so once you've customized a layout that works for you, you can save it and easily reuse it in the future. This multi-level grouping feature really helps you better understand things like workload distribution and project status at a glance and in a way that makes sense to you. It can help provide more structured insights, speed up decision making, and give you flexible ways to organize your view based on your needs.